Good day, everyone. This is your teacher, Ma'am Adoko, and for our short tutorial lesson video today, I will be discussing the difference between prime number and a composite number. Prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has 1 and itself as a factor. So, an example of a prime number is 5. Okay, so 5 has 1 and itself as a factor. Another example is 7. 7 has 1 and itself as a factor. While any whole number that has a factors other than 1 at itself is a composite number. A composite number cannot be prime. So remember this, the students, that a prime number has 1 and itself as a factor. And a composite number cannot be a prime number. Okay, so we have an example. Is 14 a composite number? Okay, so what is the factor of 14? Okay, remember this, that a composite number is any whole number that has a factors other than 1 and itself. So what is the factors of 14? Okay, so we have 2 and 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. Another example, 20. So what are the factors of 20? Okay, so let's say 2 and 10. 2 times 10 is 20. What else? Let's say 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So therefore, the factors of 20 is 2, 4, 5, and 10. So 20 is an example of a composite number. Thank you for watching our short video lesson today. Have a nice day and bye-bye.